from my perspective, Yiddish was just not encouraged. You know, the old European Yiddish speakers were there, obviously, in great numbers. And they spoke Yiddish. But from a national perspective, there was no encouragement of Yiddish. There was no promotion of Yiddish either as a culture, as a language, or in any other way. And, you know, I guess unofficially, just from a cultural perspective, growing up as a young person in Israel, you know, you kind of looked at these old guys, you know, these old people speaking Yiddish who came out of the Holocaust and kind of thought, oh man, you know, they were all slaughtered and they didn't fight and they didn't stand up, and why didn't they fight? You know, that was the Israeli perspective. You know, here you had a whole generation of young people, especially coming out of 1967 in the Six-Day War, where suddenly Israel was this enormous, you know, militaristic Goliath, David that beat Goliath, you know, this incredible army and strength, and no one will ever, never again, you know. And so the old Yiddish world was frowned upon and looked at as something less than perfect. You know, Israel was perfect. Israelis were perfect. And so, you know, it was a very interesting dichotomy for me, certainly, growing up in the world of Yiddish, to suddenly be in a world that was so not.